billion surprise toy.
1, 2, 3. It's so much fun!
Hey guys, look! Today we're gonna play the surprise egg hunting game!
Huh? Wait! We're coming!
I will give you this hint card. You guys solve the puzzle and find the egg.
Huh? Wow! Can I go first? Yeah, you go! I'm round and filled with colors. You can jump and play inside me. Who am I? Huh? A round shape filled with colors?
Baby, just look around. You'll definitely find the egg. Let's go!
Huh? Baby looks for the surprise egg. Surprise egg, surprise egg. It's not a right that's round in shape. He couldn't find this time. Baby searching for his egg. The surprise egg, the surprise egg. He climbs upon the ladder now to look around the park. Oh, it's round in shape and filled with colors. Of course, we jump and play inside the pits. Yay! I'm gonna get my surprise egg now. Woohoo! Let's search here. Hey, baby! You got it? Not yet. Oh, I think I got it. Look, I found it. Oh, it's shaking. Let's open and see. Wow, it's a police car. I really like this toy.
The real surprise is here now.
Wow! I'm a police now! Yay! I'm gonna ride the police car! I'm a police officer riding at this park. It's my duty to keep all things safe and sound around. Get my toy? No! It's mine! Come, let's check everyone to solve the troubles now. It's my duty to solve the things in a friendly way. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's okay. Come, let's see this together. Now it's my turn.
Here's the cards.
I'm not a mountain, but I stand so high. Cross the hurdles to reach my top. Find me. Yeah, this is it. Not a mountain, but so high. Stones, the hurdles, crossing this to reach the top. I'm gonna climb now.
Hey Johny, wait! Wear your helmets and safety belts first.
Oh no!
It's okay. Try again. Come on.
Yes, I will do it. The egg? Where is it? Oh yeah! I got the egg!
Don't worry. It's safe.
Wow! It's a fire truck!
Your super vehicle is ready to go!
needs my help. Here I come! Huh? What happened, baby? Why are you crying?
My bunny! It's stuck!
Oh, that's it? I know what to do. Catch it fast! Why isn't it working? Oh, wait! I have a better plan! Yeah! I got you, little bunny!
Aw, my cutie pie! I missed you! Thank you so much, Johnny!
That's okay. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Can I come now?
Sure, dear. Come on, pick one.
I'm a collection of paths. My path tricks you to reach the goal? Who am I? What should it be?
Just go. You're gonna find it in your way.
Oh, I think I found it. This is the one with full of paths.
She looks for the surprise egg, surprise egg, surprise egg. Searching here and there around, she couldn't find this time. She searches every path inside, path inside, path inside. While she came across the path, she got her surprise egg.
Yay! Look! I got my egg! Now let's open it! Wow! It's an ambulance! Oh, I like this toy! I like this toy!
Look, here is your real van.
Yay! I'm gonna ride on it!
I'm a little doctor riding at this park. It's my duty to make sure that everyone is fine. Huh? Come, let's check everyone and treat them right now. Baby's Teddy is so ill, the doctor treats her fast.
Oh!
Dolly brings her little doll to treat her boo-boo now. The doctor treats everything in a friendly way.
Dolly, come. It's your turn.
Huh? Yes, yes, I'm here. I'm full of air that makes me squishy. You can jump up on me and fly high. Find me. What is this? Huh?
Hey, just think. You'll definitely find it.
Oh, I got it! It's in our home too! We used to jump on it!
Oh yeah! I know that! I'm going! Filled with air, jump and bounce, we fly inside! Yes! This is the one! Huh? Where is the egg? Oh, it might be in the other one! Oh, there it is! I got my surprise egg! Yay, yay! Oh, wow! It's a bus!
Dolly, Dolly, here's your surprise yellow bus. Are you ready for a fun ride?
Yes, yes! It's so fun! Woohoo! Bye! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. She's going fast and happy all the way, but she saw a teddy bear. Dolly sat her teddy on the seat, then ride around, she made her friend cross the road and thanked her for this act.
Wow, well done, guys. Have you had fun today?
Yes, yes!